Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I cash a check at Regions Bank without an account? I'm going to answer this question in detail, and I'll also provide some tips on how to cash a check without an account. So, if you're interested in learning more, then stay tuned. Before I get into the specifics of cashing a check at Regions Bank without an account, let's talk about the different types of checks. There are two main types of checks: personal checks and business checks. Personal checks are issued by individuals and are typically used to pay for personal expenses, such as groceries, rent, or utilities. Business checks are issued by businesses and are typically used to pay for business expenses, such as supplies, salaries, or advertising. Now that we know the different types of checks, let's talk about the specific requirements for cashing a check at Regions Bank. Requirements for cashing a check at Regions Bank. If you're not a Regions Bank customer, there are a few things you'll need to do in order to cash a check at Regions Bank. First, you'll need to provide valid identification. This can be a driver's license, passport, or military ID. Second, you'll need to endorse the back of the check. This means signing your name on the back of the check and writing "pay to the order" followed by your name. Third, you'll need to provide proof of address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or lease agreement. Fourth, you'll need to pay a fee. The fee for cashing a check at Regions Bank varies depending on the amount of the check. Once you've met all of these requirements, you can cash your check at Regions Bank. Tips for cashing a check at Regions Bank without an account. Here are a few tips for cashing a check at Regions Bank without an account. Go to a branch that is not busy. This will help you avoid long lines. Bring all of the required documentation with you. This will help you get your check cashed quickly and easily. Be prepared to pay the fee. The fee for cashing a check at Regions Bank is not refundable. Ask the teller if you have any questions. The tellers at Regions Bank are always happy to help. Cashing a check at Regions Bank without an account is possible, but it requires a bit of effort. By following the tips in this article, you can make the process as easy as possible. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I'll see you next time. What other questions do you have about cashing checks? Leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them.